Thank you to the Lego group for sponsoring this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan and welcome back to another Jordan video. So today I'm going to be updating my room with Lego dots and be giving you guys a mini room tour. So I got this huge box of Lego dots sent to me and I'm so excited to use all of these to update my room. I even got something super exciting in this tube and I can't wait to share it. It's tube-tastic. So this is what my room currently looks like and I love it, but I just want a pop of color, a new color. And Lego dots are the perfect way to do that. These are perfect because they give you the chance to express your individuality and aesthetic in your own personal way. First thing I'm gonna do is make a new letterboard because my old one is just green and I want something a little bit more pop, some more spice. I'm super excited to be updating my room with Lego dots because if you guys saw my Instagram reel from a few weeks ago, you know how important the Lego group is to me. They play a huge part of my life, so I'm super excited to be updating my room with Lego dots. I'm gonna be using the Lego dots big message board kit to make a new letterboard for my room. Now I'm just gonna switch out my old one with the new one. Ugh. Oh la la! Pew pew pew! Look how cute this looks! It really gives a way more vibrant vibe. I got these Lego dots mega adhesive pack. Wait, adhesive pack mega. I got these Lego dots adhesive patches mega pack and I'm super excited to use them. And I thought that since I have some tote bags that I use as decor but also I go out with them, they're kind of like, what do I call it? Whatchamacallit? Functional decor. I thought I could put these patches on them so they look cute in my room and they look cute with my outfit. It's a win-win. These are the designs I made. I love them and they have an adhesive on the back so I can just easily stick them onto my tote bag. These are super cute because you can take them anywhere with you, and you can do anything with them. So if you want room decor or if you want patches like me and want to take them out, you can. I really love these because you can just express yourself in any way. So satisfying sound. This is so cool because you can make more patches and put more on, and you can put like as many as you want and you can kind of make it look like a quilt. This is my second one. This one's super cute. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is what my hangy chair section looks like now. It's really cute because the patches really bring out some color that this area really needed. Next thing I'm going to be making is a makeup brush holder because the one I have right now is just clear and boring and I want to spice up my life. So I'm going to be using the Creative Designer box. I made 2 hearts with a J and a J because just Jordan. Welcome back to my channel. And I'm going to put them right here. Look how cute it is, and I added this little drawer because it's cute. I don't know what I'm gonna put in it then. Look how cute. It's functional. It's such, I made such cute colors and I can't wait to put it up. So this is my old one. Boo! Boring! And this is the new one. Ooh la la! Look at it. It's so much more cuter, and inside my little drawer I put a cupcake. This is what my makeup desk looks like now. It's so much more cuter, so much more my style, so more my speed. And I'm not gonna go into full detail because I'm not. I'm also gonna be using the Lego Dots Designer Kit to make a jewelry holder. So let's get to it. I'm gonna be putting a love you on it because I always tell you guys that I love you. Look how cute it is. How are you guys liking it? This might be one of my favorite pieces I made so far. I'm gonna put this one right here next to my other one because this one's kind of full. I'm gonna be putting my bracelets on here. Look how functional. Oh, look how functional. and some of my rings. This is what my dresser looks like now. I really love it. This is so cute. It's like mama and its baby. It's so adorable. Inside this tube is a poster from a mystery celebrity that I have not seen yet, so I'm super excited. Let's open it together. But before we open it, I don't know who the celebrity is. It's a mystery to me and it's also a mystery to you. But I do know that the initials are A and C. So if you have any idea who that is, leave it down in the comments below. Try to figure it out. And maybe seeing the poster can help you figure it out. Maybe by the vibe. I don't know. I'm so excited. It's really pretty. Oh my gosh. This is what the poster looks like. It's super pretty. It's really pretty. I love the hand and I love the clouds. And these little color spots you see are for the adhesive patches. I actually made a few extra because this poster is customizable, so you can stick more adhesive patches on it, and it has little placements for it, and I'm so excited to show you guys the ones I made to stick on this poster. I think I'm gonna move this thing by my guitar, and I'm gonna replace it with this poster because this adds a little bit more color, and before it was just kind of meh. These are my adhesive patches that I made for the poster. I think they all go really well and they all show a little bit of me. This one is my favorite one I made because it's so pretty. First one I'm gonna be putting on, it's these cute little flowers. That one's so cute. Last one. And here is my customized poster. I think it's so cute. They all like go along so well. If I pose in front of it, is it giving whimsical? I think it's really cool because having this art made by a celebrity but still being able to customize it and make it your own is super amazing, but also you don't feel like you're ruining their work. It's just like you're adding on to it. And that's the cool thing about Lego dots, is that you have that freedom of expression. Make sure you guys comment down below again, just if you have any ideas on who the mystery celebrity is. And make sure you guys are following me on Instagram because I'm going to be sharing on how to get your own poster when it drops. So this is my finished room. I have the tote bag and the lovely poster. I really like that detail. And then I have my water the plants side. And this side is perfect because it's just a reminder for me to make sure to water my plants so they don't die on me. I got my plants over here. And then my super cute makeup holder with a functional drawer. Let's not forget about that. Then of course we cannot forget about the jewelry stand. Lego dots really came through. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this little updating my room with Lego dots and the mini tour at the end. And thank you so much again to the Lego group for sponsoring this video. I had so much fun making it. And don't forget to comment down below on who you think the mystery celeb is. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff, all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Love you.